Bitcoin holders, prepare right now because it's 100% confirmed. Bitcoin may be rising again. With that said, guys, hit the like button and subscribe for daily Bitcoin analysis. This is DC Trading. Let's get right into it. Before I give you my price prediction for this week, I'm going to be doing a technical analysis on the Bitcoin price. So, overall, we have been forming on the hourly time frame a descending channel, but we finally broke out of this descending channel to the upside. The current price of Bitcoin is sitting around 23,200. We are making our way to 23,300. This is very bullish because if we break through that, we should expect a test to 24,000 very soon. Now, when I say 100% confirmation, look at on the weekly or the daily time frame, looking at the moving average, the 50 and 200 moving average, what do we see? A golden cross that just crossed. It just occurred right now. This is very bullish. As I said in my previous video, that we trust the daily, more than the weekly, just because it's not lagging as much as the weekly. Now, it would even be a more bullish signal or indicator if on the weekly time frame we close above 24,000, because this means that we will not see a death cross. We have less than 6 days for the weekly candle to close. We need it to close above 24,000 if we want to be, if we want to be bullish on the Bitcoin price, and we don't want to see a death cross because this would be very bad. This means we're going to head to lower prices very soon. Now, as I said, on the hourly time frame, we did see a lot of volatility around this area of 22,900. And the reason for that is because Jerome Powell, held a meeting basically saying that we should expect lower inflation, but we should still expect some rise in interest rates. So overall, the market didn't know what it wanted to do, but as of right now, the market loves hearing low inflation. So, as you guys can see, we are starting to, see a rise in price for the Bitcoin price. But we need to be careful, because if it gets rejected around this area, well, this might be a fake out and we can see lower prices. But overall, as of right now, with Jerome Powell's meeting, it does look bullish, and it looks like people love what they heard from Jerome Powell overall. Now, looking at the Bitcoin's liquidations in the past 24 hours, 79 million liquidated in the market, 87% from short positions. The reason for this is because many people thought we were going to head to lower prices. Even I did. I thought we were going to head to lower prices, just because we're testing support once again, very important support around 22,600. As I said, if we want to be considered bullish, we need to stay above 22,300. If we close below, well, then we are bearish on the Bitcoin price. So now looking over here on the 4-hour time frame with the liquidity pools, what do we see here, guys? Well, we saw people starting to enter positions on short positions around this area, just because they thought we were going to head to lower prices. As a result, well, they got liquidated, and right now, currently, the price of Bitcoin is pumping, and we're going to meet resistance around 23,400. If we break through that, well, we should expect a price to 23,600 around these areas. These are very important resistance, because if we break through those very easily, well, we should expect another retest around 24,000 right here, guys. High liquidity grab, lots of money to grab right here. We need to be very careful, because as you guys seen previously, we did fail to break above. We briefly wicked to the top, and then we dipped. We got rejected. So as of right now, we do have strong resistance around $24,000 or 23,900. We need the price of Bitcoin to close above 23,900 on the weekly time frame if we don't want the death cross to cross, and we want to confirm on the daily time frame the golden cross. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Now, moving on to the S&P 500. Well, guys, earlier today, we saw lots of volatility. The S&P 500 didn't know what it wanted to do from Jerome Powell's speech. But overall now, it closed. And what do we see here, guys? We see a green candle because on Monday when it opened, well, it was red. Things weren't looking very good. People were scared. And as a result, people were starting to, they were scared because of Jerome Powell's speech. But overall, when they heard Jerome Powell speak, they heard inflation lowering down, which is a good sign. That means we should expect some interest rate hikes, but not as much, and we might stop towards the end of 2023. This is a good sign for the S&P 500, for the crypto market, and this is why the S&P 500 is green now. It looks very bullish on the weekly time frame. Looking at the US dollar, what do we see here, guys? We see it got rejected around $103. As I said in my previous videos, if the US dollar gets stronger, that means it's very bad for the S&P 500, for the stock market and crypto market. We should expect lower prices. It did get rejected, which is why we're seeing prices in the crypto market rise as of right now. So it's vice versa with the US dollar and crypto. So the weaker the US dollar gets, the stronger Bitcoin, the crypto market gets. So we need to be aware of that, guys. We need to pay attention because we have some resistance around $103. We're going to see on the daily time frame right here, guys. Take a look at the daily time frame. We are seeing a red candle. That means it's got rejected. Now, in the next couple of days, we're going to see what's going to happen. Are we going to start testing, or are we going to head down? And this is a fake out because people were saying we should expect the US dollar to head to higher prices, but this may very well be a fake out, and that would be good for the crypto market. So overall, on the Bitcoin technical analysis, right now things are looking bullish because we did bounce off major support around 22,600. But the most important support is 23,300. If we break below it, that means we're bearish on the Bitcoin price and we see a correction to $20,000. But as of right now, we're nowhere near that. We're in 23,200, and it looks like we're going to retest $24,000 again. But as of right now, guys, please be prepared for anything. Nothing's 100% confirmed. As I said, we need the weekly candle to close around 23,900 to 24,000. Now, what is my price prediction? Well, if things go very well, I do expect a $23,900 price for Bitcoin by the end of this week. But if things go bad and we start to see rejection around this area of 23,200, 300 price range, well, I do expect a correction, and by the end of this week, we should see a $22,000 Bitcoin. Excuse me. But overall, guys, that is my price prediction. I did a technical analysis. I gave you everything. Now, hit the like button, guys. Subscribe. Turn post notification, guys, if you already subscribed. With that said, go check out this video up here. Peace.